In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer CapCut video to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your finished CapCut project safely uploaded to your drive so you can access it anywhere. Start in CapCut with your project open in the editor. Look to the top right of the screen and find the Export button. Click it, then choose Download from the drop-down. This opens your export panel where you can configure your settings. Pick the resolution that matches your needs, like 1080p for most uploads, and confirm the frame rate and quality options you used in your edit. Make sure the file format is set to MP4 if that's what you prefer, as it's widely compatible. If you see an option to name the file and choose a save location, take a moment to set a clear name and select a folder you can find easily, such as your Downloads folder. When everything looks good, click Export at the bottom of the panel. CapCut will first render the video, then download it to your computer. Keep an eye on the progress indicators and wait until both the export and the download are fully complete before moving on. Now switch over to Google Drive in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. In the top left corner, click the plus new button. From the drop-down, select File Upload. Your computer's file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder where the CapCut export was saved, often the Downloads folder unless you chose a different location during export. Select the video file you just created, then click Open or press Enter. You'll see an upload progress indicator appear at the bottom right of your drive window. Let the upload run without closing the tab. Larger files may take a bit longer depending on your internet speed, so be patient and keep the window active until you get a confirmation check mark. Once the progress shows complete, your video is in Google Drive. You can click the file in Drive to preview it and confirm it plays correctly. If the preview needs a moment to process, that's normal. Drive generates a streaming version shortly after upload. If you don't see the file where you expect, try refreshing the page or using the search bar with the exact file name you set during export. And that's it. You exported your CapCut project and uploaded it to Google Drive, ready to share, backup, or access on any device. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your workflow streamlined.